Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm back. Today we're back with another Minecraft. Whoa, what the heck? That's weird. Not used to having as much lag as much. But hey guys, what's up? Today I'm here. Today I'll be doing a server build. And today I'll be showing you how to create a mine, and all the plugins will be listed in the description. The reason I'm doing this is because I got a cavity skeleton today. Okay, I was showing you guys how to set the plot view plugin and the mine setting plugin right now. Those are the only basics right now that you guys need to know. So, look that command prompt. And you guys will need mindset relate with this, so. Yes, as soon as you need world that mindset release, so as soon as you select those two corners, you're done. Just create mine. Oh my gosh. Just erase it. You gotta erase it. Erase. Okay, yeah. And now all you have to do is just do MRL set A. Then I'll just do coal or 50%. As soon as you do that, oh gosh. As soon as you do that, then you can just put the rest of your ore. There's how much percentage I have left. Sorry about that, guys. Oh, and tomorrow we probably... No, I won't do that tomorrow. Yeah, and then as soon as you do that, you do MRL. Do reset. Hey. You can put a capital or whatever. And then as soon as you do that, if you want it to reset like every 5 minutes, you would do MRL flag A reset delay, and then how much time? I want it for 30 minutes. Now the basics are that we need to get our mind set up. So now after you do that, next video I'll show you guys how to rank up for yourself to owner. So as soon as you do that, all the way over there, sorry, here goes the hard part. You do slash walls wool red. Don't. It goes here. Okay, so yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Walls. Stone. Or shoot. Stone. Oh yeah. Alright guys, be right back with you. Okay, so guys, we're back. That was like a little like there. Okay, so here all the way to right here slash wall stone. They can do stone. Yeah, and then now what we could do is do here all the way to here. Well, we gotta do something. No. Set. You do set. And then what you have to do You do glow stone. That's how you want to serve it. It's lagging a bit. That's weird. But if you want them to, let's see. Okay, so now it seems if you want your mind protected, just mind me. But if you don't want it, just do this. Go all the way down here. Not if you want it, you could do this with me. Always do this. Do/region define, and then put your mind. And then you can put like flags on it. Define flag. This is how I must have. I'll put build Denny. You're supposed to put build allow. But allow. Oh. Now I could just do mine reset. Sorry about that. Done. Okay, now that we're done with that. And then now we could just do region 9. Region. If you do region flag A under Denny, and now you can do PvP Denny. And then you should be done with that mine. And now I'll be showing you. Now I'll be showing you guys how to set up Plobby. I'll be right back with that. I'll be right back with that, guys. Okay, so guys, you're gonna want to put in that command right there. And then after you do that command, it should generate you a plot model. And now after you do that, I'm gonna just set a warp. Slash. Oh, let's do a warp to a mine. Then we can do a plot menu. Set warp. So warp A. Now we do MV TP. Now if you go there, should have this. Yeah. You can break our bottom. Now once you do that, I'm just gonna do this. Slash set warp. So that's warp, oh. No. Slash forward. Am I doing something wrong here? Oh my gosh, did I rip this off? Okay, good thing I did. How do I, guys? Wait. Okay, now we're moving back to A. the heck? Okay, guys, hold on. Wait. I'll sort this out and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, so guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's prison build episode. That was just the beginning. Hope you guys enjoyed. And peace on my glitters.